Hi kids, today we're going to talk about chemical equations, how to convert a word equation into chemical equation, and then we're going to take that chemical equation and convert it into a ionic equation. Alright, so let's see. Now, let's start with this. Hydrochloric acid, aqueous, HCl. Okay, sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Sodium chloride, NaCl, and water is H2O. Alright, now the equation is already balanced, so we write the state symbols aqueous, 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 liquid. Okay, so that's the easy part. Now what we're going to do is we're going to convert this chemical equation into an ionic equation. So what we need to do is we need to make sure we find out who are ions and who are not ions, okay, who are molecules. So HCl in an aqueous is a hydrogen ion and a chloride ion. In NaOH, it is a sodium ion and a hydroxide ion. In NaCl, it is a sodium ion and a chloride ion. H2O is a liquid, it is a molecule, it is a H2O. So what we do is, first we cancel out those who did not have any change. So those who did not change are chloride. Here is a chloride, here is a chloride. It's exactly the same. That's what we call a spectator ion. It did not change. Sodium, sodium did not change. So who changed? Hydrogen ion, hydroxide ion forms water. So this is our ionic equation. Okay? Alright, let's try another one. So you can actually pause the video and do the equation first, and then you can unpause the video. Alright, so this is zinc plus sulfuric acid. You get zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. So zinc is an element, just Zn. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Zinc sulfate, ZnSO4, and hydrogen is a gas. Okay, now this equation is already balanced. You can add in the state symbols if you want. Okay, in exam, when do we need to put in state symbols? When they put in the question include state symbols. For generally for SPM or IGCSE questions, you don't have to worry about that unless they specifically ask you to do so. Okay, now let's do the same thing we did just now. Zinc is just an element. In sulfuric acid is hydrogen ion and sulfate ion. In zinc sulfate, it is zinc ion and sulfate ion. And hydrogen, it is hydrogen gas. Okay? Who did not change in this whole equation? Only sulfate did not change. Only sulfate is the spectator ion. Everybody else changed. Zinc became zinc ion. Hydrogen ion became hydrogen gas. Okay? So, zinc plus hydrogen ion becomes zinc ion and hydrogen gas. Don't forget to balance the equation. So this is your ionic equation. Remember, ionic equations have to be balanced, same as a chemical equation has to be balanced. Alright? Okay, let's try the next example. Nitric acid and magnesium oxide. Nitric acid, HNO3. Magnesium oxide, MgO. Okay? Magnesium nitrate, Mg, and O3 bracket 2, and water. Balance the equation 2. Got that? Okay, now let's see. This is an aqueous, this is a solid, this is an aqueous, this is a liquid. Okay? There are a few ways of doing this. Alright, now nitric acid here This is magnesium oxide. This is magnesium nitrate. And this is water. Okay, there are two possible equations that you might see for ionic equation. The first one is they cancel out all the spectator ions. Nitrate, nitrate, magnesium ion, magnesium ion. Hydrogen ion plus oxide becomes water. Balance the equation. So this is a type of ionic equation to show neutralization between an acid and a base. Now, another type you might see is they do not split the solid. Okay, the solid is not split, meaning that you still write the magnesium oxide. Okay, so it will look like this. You only cancel out the nitrate. So it will be hydrogen ion plus magnesium oxide becoming magnesium ion and water. Okay, so there are two types of ionic equation that you might see out there. Now, how come this can be written this way? Because you have to understand this is an aqueous, this is a solid. In a solid, it doesn't split into ions in the solution, but after when it becomes an aqueous, it does split. Okay, let's try another one. Silver nitrate, potassium iodide, silver iodide, potassium nitrate. Balance the equation to... Don't need to balance the equation, it's already balanced. Okay, now this is an aqueous, this is an aqueous, this is a solid, this is an aqueous. So the easiest thing you can do is you just take the aqueous ion from silver ion, the aqueous ion from iodide, it changes to become silver iodide, which is a solid. Aqueous, aqueous becomes a solid. So basically in the ionic equation, you write the one that changes state or the one that changes from an ion to a molecule or from a molecule to an ion. I'll be showing you more examples as time goes by. See you!